Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will explore Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 15th of April, 2025, our system has identified Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.33. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this timeframe. The stock faced a decline of 8.46%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.41% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests the potential decrease of approximately 21.08% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 32.29% to a decrease of 9.4%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 12.68%. Our calculations imply that the stock's performance could vary from 4.39% to 69.53% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $107.22 and $174.13. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline: Nvidia stock price ended at $102.71 on Wednesday after gaining 3.86%. The Nvidia stock price gained 3.86% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, rising from $98.89 to $102.71. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.72%, with a day low at $102.02 and a day high of $104.80. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 6.66% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indication, with a total of 13 million more shares traded than the day prior. In total, 244 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $25.1 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $153.13, while the lowest price was $78.22. Currently, the price is 32.93%, or $50.42, below the 52-week high, and 53.94%. or $120.27, below the all-time high on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price reached $222.98. Nvidia Corporation, or NVDA, is experiencing a noteworthy surge in its stock value, which is currently up approximately 4.4%. This uptick is a positive response to the ongoing artificial intelligence revolution impacting various industries, with millions of users embracing AI tools. The technology leader's position in the AI infrastructure sector is viewed as critical, especially as demand increases for national security and resilient supply chains. Analysts emphasize NVDA's strong growth potential, with forward revenue growth making it an attractive option for investors. Despite recent market corrections that have affected semiconductor stocks broadly, NVDA's market dominance in AI continues to set it apart, with a favorable price-to-earnings growth ratio reflecting its growth prospects. In the wake of Bitcoin's anticipated resurgence, NVDA and similar growth stocks are poised to gain traction, which may further enhance investor confidence in the coming months. In the short term, NVDA's rising price could be driven by speculative trading in options, especially as earnings reports from major tech players approach. In the long term, its established leadership in AI technology could provide a significant edge, potentially making it a cornerstone of tech investments as market conditions stabilize. Overall, NVDA's robust fundamentals amidst a turbulent market suggest it remains a compelling growth opportunity for investors looking to capitalize on the AI trend. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned NVDA a strong buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NVDA a buy rating, also with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, Needham assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. On the same date, Benchmark provided NVDA with a buy rating, alongside a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an overweight rating, paired with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell, while the price-to-book ratio is labeled as a strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for NVIDIA. Currently, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. NVIDIA's stock is indicating sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $103.91 and $110.12. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, and to date, the stock has increased by 8.91%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is seen as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 40 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 56 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. NVIDIA currently finds support from accumulated volume at $97.64. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.78, or 2.72%. In the last week, the average daily volatility was 4.14%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NVIDIA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, commonly seen in companies with established histories or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 88 cents. It's essential to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVIDIA is at $114.33. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, NVIDIA faces its first support level at $97.64. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NVIDIA from various analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On March 21st, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. conducted an insider sale of 1,900 shares of common stock. On March 21st, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. conducted another insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. On March 21st, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. also conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock. On March 19th, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. executed an insider sale of 5,689 shares of common stock. On March 20th, 2025, Shaw RTS conducted an insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 57.275. Overall, insiders purchased 1,811,784 shares and sold 8,523,220 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? NVIDIA currently presents several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we expect NVIDIA to open higher by approximately 467 of a dollar, starting at $103.18. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.